Hey guys, this is Alan, Palm Harbor Homes of Victoria. I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through one of our urban homestead. This home is a Wind Zone 2 home, which means it's built with 2x6 exterior walls. It was a special order home, so this home does have the stainless steel appliances. It also has the Energy Miser package that gives it the radiant barrier up on top of the roof. You've got the extra thick insulation. This home is very, very energy efficient. We're walking into the master suite here with your walk-in closet, and then into the bath here that you have your dual sinks, your large bathtub, and your vanity, and your walk-in tile shower here, which is really, really nice. Again, this home is for sale. We're selling this home off our lot. So if you got some property and you're wanting to move in right away, this home is ready to move. As you can see, it's got also a nice walk-in pantry. And here's a shot of the living room. That's got the built-in entertainment center for that large big screen TV. So again, if you guys are in the market for a beautiful tape and textured home, crown molding, vents in the ceiling, and you need something ASAP, we could have this on your property by the end of July. Because I know we love to get these homes out as fast as possible. So hurry up to Palm Harbor and Victoria. 1709 East Houston Highway in Victoria. Again, ask for Alan, and I'd be happy to show you this home. And we've got easy financing. Thank you.